Welcome to Chapter 3 BeetleBit with HuskyLens 2, Optical Character Recognition. In this chapter, we will explore how HuskyLens 2 can recognize text, letters, and words. By the end of this video, you'll be able to detect characters and make the BeetleBit respond. First, power on the HuskyLens 2. On the touchscreen menu, tap Optical Character Recognition mode. Next, we need to train the text. Place a printed letter or word in front of the camera. Make sure the text is lined up with the plus cursor in the center of the screen. Adjust the angle if needed. Once it is aligned, press the Learn button on the top right of the HuskyLens 2 to save it. Repeat this step to train more letters or words. Now, connect your BeetleBit to your laptop using the USB cable, and turn it on. Next, click the MakeCode link provided in the tutorial page. This will open the project in MakeCode. Click Download to upload the code to the BeetleBit. Once the download is complete, the program will run automatically. Show the trained text in front of the HuskyLens 2 and make sure it is positioned near the plus cursor in the center of the screen. Observe how the BeetleBit reacts when each text ID is detected. When forward is detected, the robot moves forward. When backward detected, it moves backward. When left is detected, it turns left. When right is detected, it turns right. And if U-turn is detected, it will make a U-turn. You've successfully learned how to control the BeetleBit using optical character recognition. Try training new words or symbols and customize the robot's actions to create your own unique commands. For step-by-step instructions and downloadable code, visit the full tutorial at citron.io.